on a regular cycle? Do you remember when your last period was? Well, let me help you out. It's Anita Tatavarthi, your acupuncturist friend. I'm going to give you a diet tip and I'm going to give you an acupressure point. And I want you to do it consistently till you get 3 regular cycles. Well, in Chinese medicine, we think of licorice for regulating cycles. What you're going to do is you're going to take a couple of teaspoons of this, put it in a pot of boiling water, about 8 ounces, let it cool, strain out the licorice, and drink the tea. And if you can do this daily till you get 3 consistent cycles, it'll help you along your way. Why does this work? Well, licorice can help balance out the estrogen in your body and can also stabilize follicle growth, helping you to have an egg released and then go down to the uterus and shed the lining for you to have that stable period. Another thing that you can do for me daily, couple minutes, couple times a day, is I want you to take your forearm, either one, and then between the 2 bones, there's going to be some tissue. And I want you to massage along that area for a couple of minutes. In fact, you can go to our YouTube channel and you can access our 30-day journey on regulating a cycle. You can do any one of those points, couple minutes, couple times a day, until, you guessed it, you get 3 regular cycles. So if you can do this for me, what this does is it stimulates blood flow to the fallopian tubes as well as to the uterus, helping ovulation as well as helping you shed the lining, having a period. This acupressure point is also very stable and helping you to also relieve period cramps when you do get that period. This is such a great wellness point. You can do it also for helping you with any type of headache as well as back pain as well. Just don't do it if you are pregnant. And once you get 3 regular cycles, of course, you can stop with the licorice tea as well as this acupressure point. Of course, work with your physician and listen to his or her recommendations. These are simple tips, if done consistently, can help you on your journey and helping you regulate that cycle and being the best woman that you can be here on the planet. Just a friendly tip from your acupuncturist friend, Anita Tatavarthi.